Hi guys, hello and mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Sweden. Oh my goodness, how are you all guys? And yeah, I'm so excited with this one because we really have the previous reaction to this amazing band and funny and quirky, and like they really have this amazing vibes when they perform with our previous reaction to them, the Barabada Bastu. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction, hedged to our Swedish friends. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is the performance of KAJ, Nissan Bromsa, or the Nissan Dorma cover. Oh goodness. And credit also with the owner of the video to PB. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video. Oh my god, since we did some we have to make some few cuts of this one to avoid distractions for uploading in this video reactions, and I hope you consider and accept that one. And this is a video request reaction to our previous reaction to KAJ, the amazing band from Sweden. Goodness gracious, I'm so excited with this one. Let's get to it. Enjoy with this, and please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React. Have fun.
You're a superhero.
Vintermörkret hade lagt sig som en slöja över bygden. Kylon beit sig in genom märg och ben och månljuset bara glimma i svartisen. Brodrins beslut om...
Like, I like it. The introduction of it, like you're reading or you're telling a story, is like something a poem, but her facial expression is like there is fun and funny, like saying brother's decision not to put on winter tires. Oh goodness, like, and the attack of it, the emotion, the really I love it. My god.
Tillägg på vinterringan kom att stå vår vardagshjälte dyrt.
Oh my god. Like, he has the voice like an operatic tone that I enjoyed, like very high. And the facial expression is so dramatic that, wow, this crazy incredible. That's why this guys is like to represent a Eurovision 2025 has a huge chance, because the way how they did their performances, it's so cool and funny and quirky, and yeah, wow, I love it. This is amazing. Like, if you are an artist, but KAJ guys, they really have different like types of music individually, because yeah, the other is have this like rocky thing or like amazing voice, and this one like operatic. And he performed it so nicely. I love his voice, the way how he delivered with it, with facial expression, with true emotion and passion that he's putting into the song. And I like the orchestra accompany with this amazing performance of them I was here in this video because of my previous reaction to Bada Basto, and now hearing them, this is amazing and phenomenal. Wow. Whew. Love it. God. Really, those are very difficult hitting those notes, but it's like very easy on him. You can see the face, the way how he attacked. It's like brilliant and so genius. And this is how you do it. That's why they are very professional in making such like songs and performing it, and people can relate and connect. Who I have this like I'm connected with it. This is fantastic. When I'm reading the lyrics, that's so funny. But the way he just performed, you cannot see that, like you cannot feel, and if you're not reading or understanding the lyrics with it, you cannot relate, you cannot understand. But this is so funny, the storylines of how they make this amazing song. Kudos to the like to the lyricist or to the composer of the song that it made it for them. That's really amazing, and how he did it with those facial expression, and I loved it so much. This is how you do it. This is such a fantastic way of doing this amazing song. Those incredible voice making this song performance brilliant and gorgeous and beautiful. Bravo, he performed it so nicely. I love those one. God. Yes. That was totally crazy and incredible. Kudos to this amazing and very talented artists from Sweden. They are really fantastic and amazing and phenomenal. That's why I'm so excited for the Eurovision 2025 as they perform to represent Sweden this coming year. And they really have a good chance as long as they will perform that things that never been seen to the audience or to the people of their performance. They will really have to be authentic and those like so funny that people can connect and enjoy and having fun. And yeah, KAG is a very nice band, and I love them so much. Their voice, their vocal quality, their melody, and the song that they just performing that people can connect, and that's so amazing. I enjoyed it so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed it too. And if you have some comments and suggestions for any Swedish artists or any KAG performances, put in the comment section. I have to read and respond with you all. Oh, and please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video reaction. Bye-bye, guys. God bless.